In this step-by-step video, I'll show you how to create a new Spotify account on Android phone. Go ahead and open a browser in your Android phone and just search for Sign Up Spotify, and then you have to open this first link that comes from Spotify. And now just tap on Sign Up and you will directly jump into Spotify sign up form page. Here you can sign up with your Google account, with your Facebook account, with your Apple account, or to create a new account using your email address. Just in this box write your email address and tap on next. And now you have to create a strong password for your Spotify account. So first of all, create a password here. Once you successfully created a password, make sure to use one letter, one number or special character, and at least 10 characters to make the password strong. Now just tap on next. And now in this box, you have to write your Spotify account username or display name, and must write here a unique username. And in this box you have to write your birth date, so I'm adding here a random birth day, and select here your gender. And now just tap on next and just tap on sign up. I've successfully created a new Spotify account, and now using this account login credential, you will be able to sign into your Spotify account from Spotify mobile app. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.